Hello kids, welcome to your computer class. So today we'll be learning about working with computer, how we work on a computer. So in today's class we will learn about how to switch on a computer, how to switch off a computer, what are the different lab manners. So let's get started. Now you can see here the computer system. Now the first step is to switch on the electricity switch. So we'll switch on electricity switch, then we'll switch on the CPU. Then after that, this is a monitor, we'll switch on that. And we'll wait till the computer gets started. This is called monitor. The monitor looks like TV screen. Now this screen you can see here, this is called boot up screen. This is called boot up screen. This means that the computer is taking its time to start. So we'll wait till the computer gets started. After that, when the computer will start, we'll see one more screen. See, you can see this screen with lot of icons. This is called desktop. This is called desktop, and for working we need a mouse. So this is called computer mouse. And you can see something moving on the computer screen, that is called mouse cursor. Now we have turned on a computer. Now we'll see how to switch off a computer. So below at left side corner at the end there is a start button. So we need to click on the start button. Then after that we need to click on shutdown option. After that we need to switch off the monitor, we need to switch off the UPS, then we need to switch off the electricity switch. So now we are going to revise again what are the different steps to switch on a computer. So the first one is switch on the main electricity switch as we saw just now. Then switch on the UPS, switch on the CPU, and then switch on the monitor. So there are 4 different steps to switch on a computer. They are switch on the main electricity switch, switch on the UPS, switch on the CPU, and then switch on the monitor. Now there are different steps to switch off a computer. Let us study that too. Different steps to switch off a computer are, first of all, click on start button. Start button is given on the left side at bottom. So click on the start button, then click on shutdown option. After that, switch off the monitor, then switch off the UPS, and then switch off the main electricity switch. It is very important to switch off the main electricity switch. So what are the different steps to turn off a computer? Click on start button, click on shutdown option, switch off the monitor, switch off the UPS, and then switch off the main electricity switch. Now there are different manners we need to follow when we enter in a computer lab or a computer room. So let's study that. There are different manners we need to follow when we enter in a computer room. So the first one is remove your shoes before entering a computer room. We always need to remove our shoes before we enter a computer room. Then next is always keep silence inside a computer room. We need to be quiet inside a computer room. We need to concentrate on our work. Then the third one is always press the keys on the keyboard softly. We need to press the keys softly. We can't press the keys very harshly or very roughly. Otherwise the keys can be broken out. So we need to press the keys softly. Then always throw the waste in the dustbin. The next manner is we need to throw the waste in the dustbin, not here and there. Next, the computer should be switched off after using. Whenever you use the computer, after that you need to switch off with the help of main electricity switch. There are different steps to switch off a computer as I taught you, so you need to follow that. Now after you switch off the computer, it is very important to cover the computer after using it with dust cover. So we need to cover the computer after using it. And then the last and very important, always keep the lab neat and clean. We need to keep the computer room neat and clean. We cannot throw garbage here and there. We need to throw it in the bin, and we need to keep the lab neat and clean in a very systematic way. So these are the different lab manners. Now you need to go through this video, learn different steps to switch on and off a computer, and try to do it practically. Thank you, students.